In 2026, choosing between Windows and Linux is no longer a simple question of familiarity versus complexity. The operating system landscape has evolved dramatically, driven by AI integration, cloud-native workflows, gaming advancements, privacy concerns, and the changing needs of everyday users, developers, enterprises, and content creators. In this video, we are doing a full deep dive comparison of Windows and Linux in 2026, covering real-world performance, security, privacy, software support, gaming, hardware compatibility, AI features, customization, updates, stability, and finally answering the big question: which operating system is actually the best in 2026 and for whom? Let's start by understanding what Windows looks like in 2026. Microsoft Windows in 2026, primarily Windows 11 and its latest feature updates, has become a highly cloud-connected operating system. Microsoft has doubled down on AI features, system-level Copilot integration, deep OneDrive syncing, Microsoft account dependency, and tighter integration with Microsoft 365 services. Windows is clearly targeting mainstream users, offices, gamers, enterprises, and creators who want everything to work out of the box with minimal learning curve. The interface is polished, animations are smooth, and most hardware vendors still design drivers primarily for Windows first. Linux in 2026, on the other hand, is no longer just an operating system for servers and power users. Linux desktop usage has grown significantly, driven by better hardware support, improved gaming thanks to Steam Proton, and polished desktop environments. Linux is not a single operating system. It is an ecosystem of distributions. In this comparison, when we say Linux, we are specifically talking about popular desktop Linux distributions such as Ubuntu Linux, Linux Mint, Fedora Linux, Debian Linux, Arch Linux, Manjaro Linux, each serving a different type of user. Ubuntu Linux and Linux Mint dominate beginner and general-purpose usage. Fedora Linux focuses on modern technology and developers. Debian Linux emphasizes stability. Arch Linux and Manjaro Linux target advanced users. And Kali Linux is designed for cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Performance in 2026 is one of the most important deciding factors. And this is where the difference between Windows and Linux becomes very noticeable. On the same hardware, Linux distributions such as Ubuntu Linux, Linux Mint, Fedora Linux, and Debian Linux consistently use fewer system resources compared to Windows. Linux generally consumes less RAM at idle, fewer background services are running, and CPU usage remains lower during normal tasks. This means Linux feels faster on older or mid-range hardware. A laptop with 8 GB of RAM running Linux Mint or Ubuntu Linux feels smooth even in 2026. While Windows on the same machine may struggle due to background telemetry, indexing, AI services, and cloud syncing processes. Windows performance in 2026 is still very strong on modern hardware, especially on systems with fast SSDs, 16 GB or more RAM, and modern CPUs. On high-end systems, Windows feels extremely responsive, especially for tasks like video editing, gaming, and office productivity. However, Windows performance degrades more noticeably over time if the system is not maintained properly. Updates, background services, and third-party software can slow down the system, something Linux users rarely experience. Linux distributions like Debian Linux and Arch Linux can run for years without noticeable performance degradation. Gaming is one of the biggest reasons people historically chose Windows. And in 2026, Windows still holds the crown for gaming compatibility. Almost every game is released with Windows support, and anti-cheat systems are still more reliable on Windows. Games like shooters, esports titles, and DRM-heavy games work flawlessly on Windows without any additional configuration. DirectX continues to be a strong advantage, and GPU drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel are optimized first for Windows. That said, Linux gaming in 2026 is no longer a joke or niche. Thanks to Steam Proton, Vulkan, and continuous improvements by Valve, Linux distributions like Ubuntu Linux, Fedora Linux, Arch Linux, and Manjaro Linux can run a massive library of Windows games with near-native performance. Many popular games now run perfectly on Linux, including single-player AAA titles and a large number of multiplayer games. However, some competitive multiplayer games with aggressive anti-cheat systems still refuse to work on Linux. For casual and single-player gamers, Linux is absolutely viable in 2026. For competitive esports players, Windows is still the safer choice. Security is an area where Linux has always had a strong reputation, and in 2026, that advantage remains clear. Linux's permission model, open-source nature, and community auditing make it inherently more secure. Linux distributions like Ubuntu Linux, Fedora Linux, Debian Linux, and Arch Linux receive rapid security updates, often faster than Windows. Malware targeting Linux desktops is still extremely rare compared to Windows malware. Most Linux software comes from trusted repositories rather than random installers downloaded from the web, which dramatically reduces infection risk. Windows security has improved massively over the years, and Windows Defender in 2026 is a powerful built-in antivirus solution. However, Windows remains the primary target for malware, ransomware, spyware, and phishing attacks simply because of its massive user base. The tight integration of Windows with online services and the Microsoft ecosystem also increases the attack surface. Enterprises can secure Windows effectively, but for average home users, Linux remains the safer operating system by design. Privacy is one of the most controversial differences between Windows and Linux in 2026. Windows collects a significant amount of telemetry data, even though Microsoft provides privacy settings to limit it. Features like cloud syncing, AI assistance, and personalized recommendations rely heavily on data collection. While Microsoft claims this data is anonymized, many users remain uncomfortable with the level of tracking involved. Linux, especially distributions like Debian Linux, Linux Mint, Arch Linux, and Fedora Linux, respects user privacy far more. There is little to no telemetry by default, and users have complete control over what data is shared. For privacy-conscious users, journalists, activists, and anyone who values digital freedom, Linux is the clear winner. Kali Linux, used for cybersecurity, is particularly designed with control and transparency in mind. Software availability is another critical factor. Windows still has the largest software ecosystem in 2026. Professional tools like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, Microsoft Office, AutoCAD, and many industry-specific applications are built primarily for Windows. While alternatives exist on Linux, many professionals remain tied to Windows due to software requirements. Linux software availability has improved greatly. LibreOffice competes well with Microsoft Office. GIMP and Krita are strong alternatives to Photoshop, and tools like Blender dominate 3D creation on Linux. Developers prefer Linux distributions like Ubuntu Linux, Fedora Linux, and Arch Linux because of native support for programming languages, containers, Docker, Kubernetes, and cloud tools. AI and machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch often work better on Linux than on Windows. AI integration is one of the defining features of operating systems in 2026. Windows has deeply integrated AI assistance, system-wide copilot features, AI-powered search, and productivity enhancements. These features are seamless and user-friendly, but they depend heavily on cloud services and Microsoft accounts. Linux takes a different approach. AI tools on Linux are more modular and user-controlled. Developers and researchers running Linux distributions like Ubuntu Linux, Fedora Linux, and Arch Linux can run local AI models, customize workflows, and avoid cloud dependency. Linux is the preferred operating system for AI research, data science, and machine learning in 2026. Customization is where Linux absolutely destroys Windows. On Windows, customization is limited to themes, wallpapers, and minor interface tweaks. On Linux, especially distributions like Arch Linux, Manjaro Linux, and even Ubuntu Linux, users can completely change the desktop environment, window manager, animations, workflows, and system behavior. Desktop environments like GNOME, KDE Plasma, XFCE, and Cinnamon allow Linux to look and behave exactly how the user wants. Updates and system stability are another major difference. Windows updates in 2026 are still notorious for being disruptive at times. Forced restarts, unexpected update schedules, and occasional broken updates remain a frustration for users. Microsoft has improved update management, but the problem has not completely disappeared. Linux updates are generally smoother and more transparent. Users choose when to update, what to update, and how to update. Stable distributions like Debian Linux and Linux Mint prioritize reliability, while rolling release distributions like Arch Linux and Manjaro Linux offer the latest software at the cost of occasional maintenance. The choice is entirely up to the user. Hardware compatibility in 2026 is excellent on both platforms. But Windows still has the edge for brand new consumer hardware, printers, and proprietary devices. Linux hardware support has improved drastically, especially for laptops and mainstream components. Ubuntu Linux, Fedora Linux, and Linux Mint work out of the box on most systems, though very new or obscure hardware may still require manual setup. For beginners, Windows remains easier initially because most people already know it. Linux, however, has become far more beginner-friendly. Linux Mint and Ubuntu Linux are extremely easy to install and use, offering a smooth transition from Windows. With proper guidance, beginners can adapt to Linux surprisingly fast. So which operating system is best in 2026? The honest answer is that there is no single best OS for everyone. Windows is best for gamers, office workers tied to Microsoft software, and users who want maximum compatibility with minimal effort. Linux is best for privacy-focused users, developers, programmers, system administrators, cybersecurity professionals, and anyone who values control, performance, and freedom. If you are a beginner looking to escape Windows, Linux Mint is the best starting point. If you want a balanced, mainstream Linux experience, Ubuntu Linux is still king. If you are a developer who wants cutting-edge technology, Fedora Linux is excellent. If you want maximum stability, Debian Linux is unbeatable. If you want total control and customization, Arch Linux is unmatched. If you are into cybersecurity and ethical hacking, Kali Linux is the industry standard. In 2026, Linux is no longer the underdog. It is a powerful, modern, and viable alternative to Windows. Windows is still dominant, but Linux has closed the gap in areas that once held it back. The best OS in 2026 depends entirely on your needs, your values, and how much control you want over your computer. If you value convenience and compatibility, choose Windows. If you value freedom, security, performance, and transparency, Linux is the clear winner.